Did you know that these videos was generated by AI? In the video, the script, voice, images, subtitles, and other elements are all created using completely free AI tools. This video will use the world's smartest animals as an example to explain step by step how to use AI tools to create a high-quality video. Part 1. Using Chatgpt to generate the script. The soul of AI-generated videos lies in the script, and we entrust this most crucial task to Chatgpt. Videos lasting 8 to 15 minutes are the favorite length for YouTube, and you can directly ask Chatgpt to produce a script of the corresponding length. After the script is generated, we can preview it first. If it's not satisfactory, we can ask Chatgpt to make modifications to make it more eye-catching. By copying the script into a notepad and removing the narration, we then obtain a high-quality script. Part 2. AI-generated video. CapCut is a free video editing software, and its text-to-video feature is also completely free. Run CapCut and select Scripts to Video. Go back to the notepad, copy the script generated by Chatgpt with Ctrl+C, and then paste it into CapCut. Choose a voice.
Welcome to our journey through the animal kingdom.
Click the Generate button and wait for CapCut to create the video. After the video is generated, we preview it first.
Welcome to our journey through the animal kingdom, where intelligence isn't just about size, but about the wonders of evolution and adaptation. Today, we're exploring the top 3 smartest animals in the world. Top 3. Dolphins. At number 3, we dive into the ocean.
While the video generated by CapCut is decent, it can be improved. To make the video more vivid, we need to replace it with better images and video clips. We can use Chatgpt to generate a storyboard for us, create images according to the script, changing the scene every 3 seconds, and output the plan in a table format. Why every 3 seconds? For such curiosity-driven videos, changing scenes every 3 seconds helps keep the audience engaged, increases video watch time, and enriches the content. Copy the storyboard plan generated by Chatgpt to the Excel. Conduct a Google search for free pick video material websites, and you will find many sites offering free resources. Here, I'm using Pexels. Based on the keywords generated by Chatgpt, search for and download suitable images or videos. Then return to CapCut and replace the AI-generated content with the downloaded videos or images. Repeat these steps until the video is complete.
Welcome to our journey through the animal kingdom, wherein
Let's preview the video we just made.
Welcome to our journey through the animal kingdom, where intelligence isn't just about size, but about the wonders of evolution and adaptation. Today, we're exploring the top 3 smartest animals in the world. Top 3. Dolphins. At number 3, we dive into the ocean to meet the dolphins. These marine mammals are not only playful and friendly, but also incredibly intelligent. Dolphins have large brains relative to their body size, which helps them engage in complex.
Part 3. AI-generated subtitles. After completing the video in CapCut, export it. Once the video is exported, you can find the subtitle file in the export folder. Rename the subtitle file to a.txt file, and then open it with Notepad. Use Chatgpt to modify the case and punctuation of the subtitles. The free version of Chatgpt does not support file uploads, so we will need to manually copy the subtitles into the Chatgpt dialog box, making sure not to exceed 36 lines at a time. After completing the modifications, return to CapCut, remove the text from the video, import the edited subtitles, and then export the video. Part 4. AI-generated video cover. The video thumbnail is the first key point to attract viewers. It directly affects the audience's first impression and their decision to click. An attractive cover can significantly increase the video's exposure and click-through rate, which is crucial for the success of the video. We can use Chatgpt to generate descriptions for the cover. Let Chatgpt provide 5 description options. Use Midjourney or Leonardo to generate images. Choose a satisfactory image and use Canva to add text to the image. Part 5. AI-generated video title and SEO keywords. The title and keywords are the most crucial elements for a video to be discoverable by viewers, and they are key factors for YouTube's indexing and recommendation system. We can use Chatgpt to generate a compelling title and ask Chatgpt to provide some SEO keyword suggestions based on the script. Most of the work for this video was done by Chatgpt. Sometimes, changing the way we ask questions to Chatgpt can get entirely different results. Did you know peculiar methods of using Chatgpt? Thanks for watching. See you next time.